My name is Harry Mamaysky. I'm a partner at Quan Street Capital, an investment and wealth advisory firm, and a professor at Columbia Business School. A lot of my research at Columbia and a lot of the work that we do at Quan Street involve applying new analytical techniques like machine learning and artificial intelligence to make smarter investment decisions. In my live talk, I will discuss how the combination of more powerful computers, large data sets, and innovative analytics like AI are transforming the investment landscape. I will also discuss how you can effectively use these tools to help your clients' financial planning and portfolio strategies. You can register for the talk at the keynote.financial website, and I hope to see you there.